give a review as well. I'm going to start attempting repair in this radio. Now, at first I'm going to replace these electrolytics, this one, and this one here I'm going to use just a 33 microfarad 350. I've got another better set of these types coming, but yeah, I'm going to try the electrolytics, give it a quick shot, see what happens. When the other set arrives I'll change all these capacitors in another video, but yeah, definitely not going to run it for long. It's just not these, if these are stuffed, I'm definitely not going to run it for long if these are stuffed. So yeah, gotta get a little there, we're going to do solder there. Positive is here, negative is there. So get that soldering iron out, and we'll start to get our soldering out, we'll start to change these capacitors and go from there. Okay viewers, I've got stuck the new capacitor in, 8 microfarad replacement there, MIEC, proper vintage electronics replacement brand. Heat shrink tubing everything to protect everything from shorts. And this one here is our power supply filter one. Let's try it out. I've inspected everything, there's no shorts, so nothing's shorting out, so everything's all protected with heat shrink. Nothing's touching there. Everything's right there. Everything's right there. That's all soldered back where it was. Where the other one was, I mean. Let's give it a try. Good if I had an isolation transformer. An isolation transformer would be helpful. So would a variac. Safety screwdriver. Switch off the soldering iron. Let's give it a try. No boiling. Okay, well, we've still got a little bit of a hum. Yeah, we've still got a little bit of a hum, but it's nowhere near as bad. I can very slightly hear radio in that, so that capacitor in there took out a lot of the hum. So when the other order of electronic components arrive, I'll replace the paper wax capacitors and we'll go from there. So yeah, this will be part 1. That's the old filter capacitor. So yeah, we go from there. See how we yes, right to that part of ours, we'll go from there. This will be part 1 by the way. So yeah, thanks for watching.